Hi, this is Aishwan Singh Gehlot, and I have been a stockology student since June 10, and so far I have experienced different kind of things here. From basic to advanced, I have learned a lot of things about stock market. So previously I was dealing in option trading, where I have spent around 1 lakh and I made around 30,000 initially, but as far as I have gone about it, I lost 70k in 3 trades within a week. After that I stopped trading last year. So I decided to come here at Stockology and started my studies here. So my perspective about stock was different from the day I started here. Manish Kumar sir have taught a lot of things, from basic about the stock market, commodity market, forex market and the crypto market. So from doing the intraday or the scalping trades as a initial trader, I switched to trading in the swing market, and by using the swing trading strategies, I'm right now making 5 to 6% a month, which is a very good turnover for me as a basic startup trader. So the journey has been so good so far, and there are a lot of things that I've learned here, and I wish to move forward with a lot of good things. So thanks to Stockology Institute.